Welcome. In this class, we will discuss about the topic in Unit 1, Transmission Line Theory. That is Campbell's equations. So this we have seen previously. So coming to the Campbell's equation gives the analysis of the performance of a loaded line. Let Z0 equal to characteristic impedance of the line before loading, and let ZL equal to impedance of the loading coil. Gamma equal to propagation constant of the line before loading, and gamma dash is the propagation constant after loading, and let n equal to coil spacing, that is distance in kilometer between loading coils. So look at this figure. This is an unloaded line, and this is equivalent T equivalent of that circuit. That is Z1 by 2 is a T network with the impedance of Z1 by 2 is Z1 by 2, and in the shunt is Z2. And considering this loaded line, we have inductance coils, and the spacing between the coils is n. So coming to the T equivalent circuit of this, in addition to Z1 by 2, Z1 by 2, we have the coil impedances ZL by 2, and in the shunt we have Z2. The equivalent of this Z1 by 2 and ZL by 2 is Z1 dash by 2. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit, T equivalent of a loaded line. So coming to the equations, so this we have already derived. Sin h of n gamma equal to Z0 by 2, Z2, this is equation number 1. Cos h of n gamma equal to 1 plus Z1 by 2, Z2, equation number 2. So now when the loaded section is added, so we have Z1 dash by 2, which is the loaded line. So here we have Z1 dash by 2 with this addition of ZL by 2 and Z1 by 2. So this we have written here. Z1 dash by 2 equal to ZL by 2 plus Z1 by 2. Mark this as equation number 3. From 2 we have, so find what is, that is Z1 by 2 Z2 equal to cos h of n gamma minus 1, and Z1 by 2 equal to, bringing this Z2 here, Z2 into cos h of n gamma minus 1, and also we have Z2 from this equation number 1, Z2 equal to Z0 by sin h n gamma. So Z0 by sin h n gamma into cos h n gamma minus 1. Mark this as equation number 4 and substitute this 4 in 3. So Z1 dash by 2 equal to ZL by 2 plus, instead of Z1 by 2 I am replacing this. This is equation number 5. Now considering the propagation constant after loading, cos h n gamma dash. So here the gamma dash is the propagation constant after loading, which is given by 1 plus Z1 dash, instead of Z1 I am replacing it with Z1 dash by 2Z2, which is given by 1 plus Z1 dash by 2. Divide numerator and denominator by 2, Z1 dash by 2 by Z2. Okay, so 1 plus, already we have derived expressions for Z1 dash by 2. So here we have equation number 5. Substitute equation number 5 in this. So numerator with this we Z1 dash by 2 divided by Z2 is Z0 by sin h n gamma. Okay, so take this is so bringing it by cross multiplication, we can inverse, we can have sin h n gamma by 2 Z0. Take this 2 outside into ZL plus 2 Z0, since we have taken this 2 here. So here we have 2 Z0 sin h by sin h n gamma into cos h n gamma minus 1. So which is equal to 1 plus, take ZL also outside, ZL sin h n gamma by 2 Z0 plus multiplying this. So plus cos h n gamma minus 1. So we have cos h n gamma dash equal to cos h of n gamma plus ZL by 2 Z0 into sin h of n gamma. So this expression is known as the Campbell's equations for a loaded line. It gives the expression for the propagation constant of loaded line in terms of propagation constant of the loaded line. So this is the expression. This expression is called the Campbell's equation for a loaded line. Thank you.